Hello, my dear students. Please welcome. Join this suggestion classes with Rajiv sir. Okay. I think you are little worried about your examination, but the remedy is very simple. Go through entire videos which have named suggestion classes. Okay, suggestion for examination, and your problem is fully removed. Now, as we know that at the last time or at the last moment, the maximum force is required as the plane is takeoff. At the time of takeoff, the maximum torque is required. So the final touch is very essential. Don't waste the time. We discuss the question. Now the first question is, the minimum value of charge on any object cannot be less than. The minimum value of charge cannot be less than. Your options are 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Your option B is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19. Your option C is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 19. And your option D is 1 coulomb. And the right answer is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay. The second one is, the quantum of electric charge in ESU is. Your options are, the first option is 4.78 into 10 to the power minus 10. Your option B is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Your option C is 2.99 into 10 to the power 9. And your option D is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. And the right option is 4.78 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now the third question. When 10 to the power 19 electrons are removed. When 10 to the power 19 electrons are removed from a natural metal plate, the electric charge on it. When 10 to the power 19 electrons are removed from a natural metal plate, the electric charge on it. The option first A is minus 1.6 E. The option B is plus 1.6 E. C coulomb, C for coulomb. C 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and D 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. The fourth question. A body has a charge of minus 2 microcoulomb if it has 2.5 into 10 to the power 13 protons. Then how many electrons the body have? The options are A 1.25 into 10 to the power 13. The option B 2.5 into 10 to the power 13. C 3.75 into 10 to the power 13, and D none of these, and the correct option is C 3.75 into 10 to the power 13. Three point 75 into 10 to the power 13, and the option D is none of these, and the correct answer is 3.75 into 10 to the power 13. In the previous question, when 10 to the power 19 electrons are removed from a natural metal point, then electric charge on it is plus 1.6 coulomb. Now the next question is, for coulomb force to be operated the least size of atom will be. For coulomb force to be operated the least size of atom will be. Your options are 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Second option is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Option C 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Option D 10 to the power minus 8 meter. And the right option is 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Now the sixth question. The sixth question is the minimum value of force. The minimum value of force acting between 2 point charge placed 1 meter apart from one another is. Your options are, the first one is KE square, the second one is KE, the third one is KE by 4, the fourth one is KE square by 2. The minimum value of force acting between 2 point charge placed 1 meter apart from one another is, the right option is KE square. Now the seventh question. What is the SI unit of electric flux? Your options are, option A, Newton per coulomb into meter square. Your second option is Newton into meter square. Option C is Newton coulomb per meter square. Or option D, Newton square coulomb square per meter square. And the right option is Newton meter square per coulomb. The dimension of the unit of electric flux is. Now the question number 8. Sigma is equals to surface charge density, epsilon electric permittivity. Then the dimension of sigma by epsilon naught is same as option 1 electric force, option B electric field intensity, option C pressure, option D electric charge. Now your options are electric force, option B electric field intensity, option C pressure, option D electric charge, and the right option is electric field intensity. Now the question number 9. A conducting sphere of radius r is equal to 20 centimeter is given a charge q बराबर 16 microcoulomb. What is the electric field at the center? And your option is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb, 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. Option C 0, option D 0.9 microcoulomb, and the right option is option C 0. Question number 10. A soap bubble is given negative charge. Its radius will, option 1 A increases. Now the option B is decreases. Option C remain unchanged. Option D fluctuate. And question number 10. Question number 10 state that a soap bubble is given negative charge, then its radius will be as increases or decreases or remains unchanged or fluctuate. So the right option is its radius will be increases. Now at the last question, the ratio of charge to potential. The ratio of charge to potential of a body is known as C is equal to Q by V. So the right option is capacitance. C is equal to Q by V. So the right option is capacitance, not inductance, not conductance, not resistance. The right option is capacitance. Okay. So best of luck.